What is up, guys? Your boy Alex D here, back at again with a reaction video for all. Today we're going to be watching Zakir Hussain horse running. He's playing the drums. I like music, y'all like music, and it's going to be a fun time to watch this and react to it because, you know, it's just, I'll enjoy this, so it'll be cool. Before I click play though, guys, make sure you subscribe, make sure you turn the bell on for notifications because you don't want to miss out on my videos or for when I go live and do my live streams. I also recently started going live on Mixer, and I do gameplay, stuff like that, play some games. But yeah, without further ado, let's watch this video. Okay, he's super duper upbeat and happy. I like it already. It's like super duper fast with his hand movements like that. He's so fast. Your belly's like sweaty too. He definitely, it's a lot of work to do this. You got a lively crowd. This guy's like doing it himself. He's like do 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 do. I could never do something like this with the drums, man. This is crazy. He's so quick. What is the other instrument that person's playing? Okay.
ये घोड़े की चाल का रेला है, इसमें घोड़े की चाल का रिदम देखिए। उससे पहले टेपल्ली देखिए।
Oh my goodness. This is really cool. I used to mess with the drums when I was younger, but never like to this extent. Like, this is insane. And it wasn't obviously like, it was a drum set. It wasn't like the drums he's playing with. I like these drums though. They're pretty cool. I like the sound they make also. They're just really pretty sounding. Honestly, like when he's doing it, it sounds like he's like almost like trotting on a horse. Like a horse, you know, when it's trotting. Like I said, it's just so fast with it. And it just looks so just easy for him. It's like, oh, here we go. I'm just gonna just... We're all watching the same video here, guys. This is crazy. And he does it for 5 minutes and some change. Like, that's... How is he doing this? And he's still going so fast with it, but it doesn't seem like he's going that like. It doesn't look like he's going crazy fast, but then you can hear how fast he's going because of the the noise it's making, obviously. Oh my god. gosh. I like the face he's making too. He's moving around, jigging with it. Kind of sounds like an accordion the other guy's playing with. Bravo. That was wild. That guy's got talent, man. That was super cool. That was a really cool video to watch. That's really awesome. Sound of the tabla. That's awesome. Let me know in the comments what you guys thought, because I thought that was just insanely, like, that was beautiful, man. That was really cool to watch. Like I said, let me know in the comments what you guys thought of that video. Let me know if there's anything like this I can react to also, like that if you guys have any recommendations in the comments, let me know. Subscribe, guys, if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Y'all are amazing. Peace out. Bye, guys.